This is 9 standards. It is it's medieval. It is not any Neolithic structure, but pretty neat. Nobody's exactly sure why they were put up, and there's like a 300-year range of when they might have been put up. There's a lovely view somewhere in those clouds. Past 9 standards is an insanely boggy area. Thank goodness it hasn't rained for a while. Check out that homemade brake press. I could use that in my shop. I love how the header's exposed here where you can see how they construct for these stone barns. All right, so big lesson of the day, just getting into Keld, but I bought these foldable trekking poles. And even when I saw it, I was a little worried about whether these cables would break. And sure enough, in the bogs, I pulled my pole out and the bottom part was missing. So a bunch of fishing later and a big stone slab I found in some rocks, I have a non-foldable trekking pole and one foldable one now. See you tomorrow.